Besties, let's do a bubblegum pink glitter lip combo. Now, y'all know a lip combo do not need a lip pencil. All you need is a good gloss. Now, my favorite lip gloss for lip combos is my beauty supply store lip gloss. This was $2. Now, you need any glitter gloss. Now this is kind of affordable. So came from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna use this. You can use her cousin. This is the NYX Fat Oil. If you want a Brainiac, this is the NYX Duck Plum in the bubblegum. This was $16, but I love it. Now, y'all know how I am. Now, we're going to always start with your clear glitter gloss coat first. Now, I don't like the, applicator, but this is still a good lip gloss. And I would buy this again. I just don't like the applicator. Of the show, the NYX Duck Plum and Bubblegum. Now, this is like a very cute pigment pink. Now, color is detail, so that I love it. Now let's get into it. Now, you gonna need a little bit because this is gonna blend out. Now, you can use this to blend it out, but it's gonna keep adding more product, and you don't want too much product. So what we are gonna do, pink on there like that. Basically, that's the pink. Look at that, it's super cute. That's why I tell you, use your hand because this will add more product, and this pink is like a very pigment. Now, if you don't like its pigment, you can use her little cousin, but hey, this, look at that. That's why I say use your hand because that will just keep adding more product. Now, for the star of the show, you're going to use your clear lip gloss. Now, this is the one I use for lip combo because it's $2. It's glossy. This is the finished combo, bestie. How are y'all liking it? Now, I actually like this lip combo down. Now, if you want a little bit more pigment, you can add more. Because this, as y'all can tell, basically, it's like very pigment as heck. But if you don't want as much pigment, use less or use her little cousin. But basically, comment down below, girl, how do y'all like this lip combo, bestie? And until next time,